Fix Xbox app error 0x87e00196 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 2. Run the Microsoft Store Apps Troubleshooter. If that didn't work. Solution 3. Repair or reset the Xbox app. If the problem you're experiencing with the Xbox app is due to corruption, you can try repairing the app to fix the issue. To do this, Solution 4. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Solution 5. Check Xbox services. Locate the following services: IP Helper, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Networking Service, Gaming Services. Ensure that it is set to automatic. If not, change it to automatic. If the service isn't started, click on Start to start the service. Restart your PC. Try again after the restart.